Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need foundations first, certifications, a demonstrable portfolio, and the tools to run campaigns. Start by finishing Google Ads Fundamentals and one specialty exam. This proves core knowledge. Once done, create 2 simple campaigns, search and display, focused on clear KPIs like CPA and ROAS so you can show results. Make sure to install Analytics and Tag Manager on a demo or live site to collect data. These concrete artifacts replace vague claims and get recruiters interested. Now convert knowledge into measurable experience. Run /B tests on ads and landing pages, implement audience layering, and shift bids using data-driven strategies. These actions show you can improve performance. Use scripts and automated rules to scale without manual errors, and log everything in a concise case study format. Explain what you tested, why you chose that method, the metrics you tracked, and the outcome. This disciplined documentation is what hiring managers read to assess impact. Wrap up by targeting employers with tailored resumes and concise case studies focused on business KPIs. Apply to roles with portfolio links, annotated spreadsheets, and one-page PDFs summarizing each campaign, highlighting lift in conversions or efficiency gains. During interviews, be ready to walk through an account audit live. If results stall post-hire, first troubleshoot account structure. Check conversion tracking, attribution settings, duplicated audiences, and negative keywords. Fixing those often restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.